Hey, and welcome back to Supercar Street Racing. Today we're taking a look at this LED pool light from LyLmLe, and they've been gracious enough to provide us with this light so you guys can see how it might work out in your pool. And I've got all kinds of things to tell you about this today on Supercar Street Racing. So the first thing we want to talk about for this LyLmLe beautiful pool light here is that it comes with super strong magnets, and that allows it to stick very well to any type of metal pool. The second point about this thing is that it doesn't take any type of tools to install it, and it is compatible with all types of pools, meaning you can put it anywhere you want in any part of the water. So this pool light here also uses an app for Bluetooth control, and that means you can do so many things with it. You can change all the colors, put it on a schedule, or sync up music to it with the Bluetooth app, which we will show you guys here in a little bit. So if you guys have ever tried any solar powered lights for anything, then you know how weak those can be. And this is amazing because it has a 26-foot cord, meaning it can reach almost anywhere, and if it doesn't, you could just simply add an extension cord, because that part will not be submerged in the water. All of that is waterproof as indicated in the manual. So yeah, this thing has a long enough cord where you can put it pretty much anywhere in your pool. So the LyLmLe here also has a built-in transformer. There's no need to go buy a separate transformer. It's completely safe to swim underwater. So the LyLmLe light is rated at IP68, and that is a dust and water rating. The IP just simply means ingress protection on the light, and the 6 means that it is dust resistant, with the 8 being that it can survive long periods underwater being submerged. So completely waterproof with the LyLmLe light. Here we have the LyLmLe LED pool light, and we're going to take a look at what's in the box right now. And here's a good look at the front of the box. Shows you that it's a 20-watt pool light, and it has an 8-meter cable, and it is IP68. And there is LyLmLe there and the barcode for it. And right here it's showing you the app that you use to control it. And on the back, I guess they also must sell some other besides RGB, but this is an RGB color LED pool light. And taking a look inside of the box, we have what looks to be some sort of mounting bracket, and on the back it says to glue it. We have a instruction manual, and we see who this is made by right here, and that is in China. And then there is some instructions here on how to install it, which we will be taking a look at here momentarily. And it looks like here we can put it in 3 different types of pools: steel wall pools, soft-sided pools, and then I guess where's the third type of pool? And okay, yeah. So the third type must be the glue type pool, which would be for any other type of pool. And then inside the box here for the LyLmLe pool light, we see we have quite a long cord here with a built-in transformer. They do give you some, looks like some glue. Not sure how well that will work or not, but we will give it a check out. And here is the actual device here, sitting so beautiful. And on the back it says LyLmLe there. 20-watt RGB color light. And that is all that is in the box for the LyLmLe LED RGB pool light. So as usual, we're not just going to tell you to buy this product. We're actually going to see how it performs and how it installs. So once it gets dark out here, we're going to go outside and take a look at this at the pool. Alright guys, we are in the phone, and the first step to getting the app for the LyLmLe LED pool light is to go to the instruction manual and scan. And let's put it on photo there, and it already shows that it wants to open that link, and we install the Duo Co-Strip app, as you can see here. And there goes the app installing. And let's go ahead and open that now. And that is how we will be using the LyLmLe LED pool light. We have to allow it location access, and Bluetooth has to be on. And that is the first step of getting this light working. Okay, now that we have the app installed, the instruction manual says To connect to the light, we have to do the following. We have to tap the settings icon, and we got to find that. It's already on the screen. It says BLE DOM. So we're going to click that. Nope, it's not there. Interesting. Tap setting icon and refresh icon. Okay, hit the refresh icon. And there it is. It says it is connected now to the light. Alright, we are out by the beautiful pool now with the LyLmLe light. And what we're going to do right now is take it out of the packaging. And this is actually the mounting bracket. So what you do is you attach this to the side of the pool. And then the light actually is magnetically mounted to this guy right here. Here we see the LyLmLe LED pool light in the package. In this plastic packaging, we can remove that now. And then what we will do after that is go ahead and plug it in and get it submersed in the pool, where we can start taking a look at the app. Alright, we have the LyLmLe LED pool light sitting here right now, and we will get to do this peel at some point. And I don't know how that actually peels. Let's see. Just like that. And now all we have to do is plug it in to supply power to it. And let's see how bright it is. And yes, it is very bright. And now we will proceed to put that over into the pool. And we will just be temporarily mounting this, so no mounting necessary. If you were going to be mounting it, you would use the mounting bracket over there, glue that to the side of your pool, or attach it to the side of your pool. Then this would stick to the magnet. And then we're just going to put this here until it gets dark enough to actually show you the app and how the light looks underwater. Okay, we are back outside where it has gotten dark, and we are with the LyLmLe LED pool light. We have the app open now, and we're also recording on the other camera, and where we can go back and forth. And you can see here on the app, we can just hit one of the presets like green and purple. And that's really purple, or this classic colors here, and the light is responding to the Bluetooth control. It is very bright. It's actually much brighter than my regular pool light. And we can also go over here to style and go to any of these preset styles here. That's blue strobe, green strobe, red strobe, 7 color strobe, and there are all kinds of presets for here for you to actually go through here. Those are gradual changes. Then of course you can do music. Alright, you can see also here we can adjust the brightness and the speed of any of these presets here. I just changed the speed there. And the brightness can go down as well. As you see there, it did get a lot lighter. And moving back to the front page, you can also use the color wheel to change the colors. And we just showed you that we can use the microphone to adjust it, or we can use a regular music clip to also adjust it. So we would have to have some no copyright music on here in order to do that part. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this review of the LyLmLe pool light, the RGB LED pool light. We took you through all the parts of the apps. We showed you that you can just adjust the colors, the brightness, and the contrast. It is very bright. You can see here how good it makes the pool look at night. And that is going to wrap this up for our review of the LyLmLe LED RGB pool light. Guys, you just saw the LyLmLe LED pool light. I probably mispronounced it a few times. Sorry to the wonderful people for us. And we just tested it out there in the supercar street racing pool, and it is very bright. In fact, I think it's actually brighter than my pool light I have now. Now we are giving this pool light away to the first person who can get the most referral subscribers in the channel. And what you need to do that is you need to help me get subscribers, and then when someone posts a subscription to me, have them post your name in the comments, and whoever gets the most comments that said I was referred by this person will get this LyLmLe LED Pool Light absolutely free. So please get someone to subscribe, get multiple people to subscribe. When they subscribe, have them leave a comment. If they leave your name the most times, like in other words, each person that subscribes to me has to get a new subscriber that has to then leave your name in the comments. If that happens and you have the most new subscribers to Supercar Street Racing, you're getting that light absolutely free on me. I'll pay for the shipping and everything else. So go get some people to subscribe for me, get them to put your name down in the comments section. Now, checking out Amazon right here, we can see the LyLmLe LED Pool Light 20-watt color changing magnetic underwater light. It is app control, it's dimmable, it's IP68, that is ingress protection, 6 being the dust level, and 8 being that it can be underwater for a long period of time. It is not 12 volts, it is actually 110 volts. It probably is converted to 12 volts via the transformer that comes with it, so don't get confused about that. So, yeah, you should go ahead and order this. It's $79. I highly recommend it. They have an option to get a 2-in-1 of that, so you get 2 lights. And here's all the goodness about the LyLmLe light here, and there's a bunch of pictures here with it, and also a video here showing it, which we will now post at the end of this video. Maybe if we can get this thing ripped, we will post that at the end of the video. But guys, remember, the most referral subscriptions to me and they put your name in the comments section, you will win this LyLmLe LED Pool Light just for yourself. And we appreciate you guys watching the channel so much. Please like and subscribe, and also buy things through our links in the description. It doesn't matter if you buy this, anything you buy from us will contribute to our earnings, because we don't make any money on the channel. We love you guys. Have a good day. We'll see you next time on Supercar Street Racing.